Hello guys, uh, let's solve the new question, hard question of Leetcode, number of atoms. So here we are given a string of a formula of chemical composition, like for example H2O, that is water, H2O. We just have to parse it in such a way that in the we need to sort it. We have to open it and sort it, return the sorted formula of it. Suppose we are taking MgOH twice. So your is one element, O is one element, and H is one element. Mg only appears once, O appears once, and because the outside the bracket is 2, so it will appear 2 times, and H will be 2 times. So after sorting, we can write it as H sorry, my bad, H2 H2 MgO2, because H comes twice, Mg comes once, and O comes twice. And if it is coming one times, then it doesn't matter to write it. It doesn't mean it will not mean you have to write it. Okay. So suppose if you take this example, here if you like write K O N S, yeah, on this much elements. Yeah, K appears here four times. So four. O appear like 3 times here and 2 times outside, so it will be like 6 times, and 6 times and it's one 7 times and twice, so 14 times. So oxygen will be 14 times. Nitrogen, like it appears 2 times, so two, and disappears twice and twice 4 times. So if we sort this, it will be like K4 N2 O14 S4. S4, okay. So like here we can see that it's the concept of opening and closing bracket, opening closing parenthesis. So here we should use stack here, because it will like simple regular expression matching type question, like where we add bracket and remove this bracket. Okay. So like and it's also a question of hash map, as we can see here. They have given a hash map here, which saves all the counter. Okay. So like what we can do is we will take a k, we will make like a stack. Here initially we will make a stack, and within it there will be a dictionary, okay, hash map, which will save all the element. Now like we will first iterate through all the elements. Okay, so we are getting k first, so it will be like k and 4. Okay, and it is a close. Then we are getting a opening bracket parenthesis, so we will we will add a new element. We'll give a new dictionary here and add O here. Is coming twice. O is coming once initially when we are counting. Okay, then we are getting n, so n is coming once. Okay, so again we are getting another parenthesis, so like we will make, wait, let me erase this. Okay, uh, so we will now make another stack, another level, and it will have like S is coming once and O is coming thrice. Okay. Now we are getting a closing bracket. So we just have to merge this both. We have to merge this with the other below, the other level below it. Okay. So but there is a two outside it. So we have to multiply it before merging it. So the new stack will be like it will be two. It will be two, and this will be six. Yeah. And this will be six. Okay. So I have to merge it. So the new stack will be like uh, the new stack will be like O is 1, sorry, O is 6 plus 1 7, N is 1, and s is twice, as you can see there above. Okay, 2. Then it's like now we are, and the below will be k, sorry, what I'm doing. uh, yeah, and below will be like k is 4. Okay. So now here we will see that it's 2, so it's one, it's closed, and we are getting another parenthesis here. Okay, here we had another parenthesis, so we have to merge this 2 with this. Okay, but there is 2 outside, so we will just multiply this with 2. So the after multiplying with 2, it will be like O is 14, N is 1, S is N is 2, O S is 4. Okay, and we are merging it, so it will be like now we have to merge it. So it will be like the final will be K 4, O 14, N twice, S S will be like 4. Okay, so we just have to return this in the sorted way now. Okay, so the answer will be like the sorted order will be yeah, K uh, N O S. Okay, now we just have to add the weights, like what's the value. It's 4, so it will be like 4, and is 2, so it will be like 2. O is 14, so it will be 14 here, and S is 4, so 4. Suppose, for example, if S is 1, so we will not write it. We will just ignore it. Okay, we just have to ignore it. Okay. So let's see the code. Yeah. So yeah, let's do this is the code. We have here we made a stack which contains a dictionary default dict. So simplify it, and the index is 0, just to point it to the first element. Okay. Then we are just comparing, we are just iterating through all the elements in the formula. Okay, so if we are getting the bracket, we will just create a new dictionary in the stack. Okay, and add this index. Okay, and if I'm getting a closing bracket, we will just merge the two levels of the stack. Okay, because every opening bracket parenthesis will have a closing parenthesis. Okay, and the multiplier is used to get the number of elements after this. So like if here we can see mgoh twice. Okay, so after s2, so we have to multiply it inside up before merging it. So we are creating a new variable called multiplier. Okay, then we are just getting the value of the multiplier and solving it. Okay, so if the multiplier is not one, so just have to multiply it inside. If it's one, we will just leave it as it is. Okay, and then we have to merge this, and this conditions for merging both the levels. Else, if we are getting only OH, so we just have to add it in the stack on the same level. Okay, on the top level, we'll just add it and count all the elements. Like suppose we are H2O, so H is coming twice, so we just have to count it, how much time, how many numbers are there. So we will just add it into the dictionary. Okay, in our hash map for that value. Okay, this for that. uh, then we are just sorting it, because here it's given that it needs all the elements in sorted way on manner. So we are just sorting the dictionary. Then yeah, we are just printing it. If for printing we are using this condition, because greater than one, because we just have to ignore one. So if anything is greater than one, we will just write it. Okay. So thank you. There's many other approaches, like using regular expressions and like many other things. Yeah, but stack is the most simplest for this hard question. So we are using this.